Hey, feeling thirsty? How about a cold plastic bottle of water? Still thirsty? Great. Here's 1.5 billion more. That's how many plastic bottles we consume every day. And our love affair with plastic is choking the environment. Ah, your reusable bottle. Problem solved. Just one question. Can you trust your bottle is completely safe? Studies by microbiologists found that reusable bottles are a perfect breeding ground for illness-causing bacteria, and only thorough, intense scrubbing every day can clean them properly. Not to mention, there's that musty bottle smell that never seems to go away, even after multiple washes. But don't give up. Now there's a way to get fresh, clean water without smelly bottles or polluting plastics. Introducing Auron, the self-cleaning water bottle that purifies your water in seconds. With Auron, you can carry pure water with you wherever you go, whether it comes from the faucet, fountain, mountain, or river. So, how does it work? Auron uses UVC technology to clean itself and purify your water. The 280 nanometer UV light is designed to naturally eliminate 99.9% of bacteria and contaminants in just 60 seconds. UVC cleansing is so effective that the same technology is used by hospitals around the world for sterilization. To purify your water, just fill the bottle, close the lid, and touch the button. In just 60 seconds, your water will be free from bacteria, viruses, parasites, molds, and allergens that can make you sick. Now that's pure water. Take it with you anywhere. Auron is light, spill-proof, and sweat-proof. Carry it around in your bag all day without the risk of your electronics getting wet. Auron is ultra-tough and super insulated. It's made from corrosion-resistant and rust-proof 304 steel. Did we mention Auron is for more than just water? Auron is compatible with any beverage. Its double-walled design and vacuum insulation keeps your drinks cold for 24 hours or hot for 12. With Auron's rechargeable smart cap, you can check the temperature of your drink anytime with its built-in temperature display. Having trouble staying hydrated? Auron can be your personal hydration assistant with reminders to keep yourself hydrated throughout the day. Auron can remind you to hydrate yourself when you're caught in the middle of the hustle and bustle of work without drinking any water. When it's time to do the washing, Auron's extra wide opening makes it simple to clean without brushes, squeegees, and cramped hands. Auron's 100% stainless steel build also makes sure that residue and smells don't stick. And the smell? Always fresh and neutral. Never bad bottle odor, no matter what you put inside. Don't worry about downtime. Auron lasts for up to 2 months on a single charge. And Auron's lifespan is about 300,000 uses. That's 6 purifications a day for 137 years. By using Auron, you can reduce your carbon footprint and help reduce global fossil fuel consumption every sip. If you need another reason, using Auron can save you hundreds of dollars a year on water filter replacements, plastic water bottles, and cleaning materials. For a healthier you and a healthier planet, experience clean water at the touch of a button.
In our everyday life, we are surrounded by different kinds of smells. So in the nature, or at home, in the kitchen, or somewhere else. But the question is, what can we do with the smells? Can we digitize, measure, and then use the smell? So the problem of smell digitalization felt to me very interesting, and I spent several years of my research to solve this problem. And the result now is the Smell Inspector, the smartest smell detection platform and developer's kit. So I believe we have created now a completely new possibility for making this digitalization of smells really easy and comfortable for any use. The board inside contains really new technology. It has very small and compact multi-channel chip based on nanomaterials. The chip is a sensor array which is actually up to 100 times more sensitive compared to conventional gas sensor, but still cheaper. Using the full potential of nanotechnology and combining into artificial intelligence, we created a completely new solution. This is a gadget for digitalization and recognition of smell, and this can be used by everyone.
So machines can already see with cameras, they can hear, microphones, they can even touch, but they cannot smell yet. With our technology, we can detect smells, not single gases, but really compact mixtures of gases. And this is what our technology can do. We see a huge potential to turn the market upside down by using this and using our technology like an electronic nose.
Thanks to the development of iX16, we have finally achieved our breakthrough. This chip is very sensitive, uses almost no power, is compact, modular, and can be integrated in many electronic devices. Our fully in-house production technology makes this affordable for any use case.
And that is the chance to mount the sensor on some robotic arm or robotic vehicle, or even on a drone that flies around to sniff gases. The application to put a sensor with a sensitivity like that on a flying drone is very difficult, because the drone perturbates the air and also the gases in the air. And nevertheless, it was very surprising that our sensor could really sniff the ammonia in the air through the drone is flying. So the interesting thing is that the smart form factor, together with the capability, the feature of gas recognition, can be combined, and therefore mobile applications, flying applications, swarm applications become possible.
Our device is compatible with Arduino or Raspberry Pi and can be used for really different small projects. With our groundbreaking technology, we would like to build a worldwide community of developers and let people try very different use cases. This is why we invite you to build a new ecosystem of electronic smelling. Just take this device in hand and try your own use case. Our sensing technology has enormous potential, which is waiting to be discovered.
Holograms have just always been a passion for me. When you see true holograms, it's a wow moment. It's a piece of 3D science magic, and you just want to reach out and touch it. But it was while I was at MIT that I realized, unless you were a research student or a grad student at a place like MIT, you weren't going to get access to this kind of hologram technology. I started Liddy Hollow to help change that. I'm Paul Christie, the founder of Liddy Hollow, and we're introducing our new desktop 3D hologram printer.
I've been working with holography for probably over 20 years, and one of the things that we've always talked about is a desktop printer. I can't believe that Liddy is finally doing it at a price point that actually makes this affordable for everyone.
This is a little like the early stages of the personal computer, or the early stages of the recent 3D printing phenomenon that we've seen. It's a new tool that gives people access to a whole new hologram technology, and we're excited to see where people will go with it.
Yeah, having something like this that takes a MakerBot approach to holographic printing, I think is just what I need as an instructor, trying to help students get their hands dirty with hard copy holography.
Our regular two-dimensional pictures, our regular screens, they're flat. We walk around all day, every day, seeing 3D. And I think it's natural for us to want that kind of 3D in our images. And this is the start of how we get there.
So I think Liddy Hollow is an excellent company to spearhead this effort. They have a reputation for taking some of the sophisticated parts of holography and making them more accessible. And this is just another example of that. Now, instead of needing your own laser on a specialized table, they've encapsulated this into a small package, and sometimes you just want a hologram.
True hologram technology has potential to go far beyond where we are currently. There's a lot of other 3D technologies out there, and there's been a lot of older 3D technologies, and it's exciting to see where they've come. We're excited to see where true hologram technology can go.
Holography is magical, and I think that as many people as possible should experience it, and I think that this product, this effort, is going to lower the threshold.
The future of where we hope that this will take holograms is just, it's exciting to see. Previous to this, access to this kind of technology has just been so limited. We see this as a potential to inspire the next generation of holographic artists, the next generation of holographic students, researchers, and we're hoping the next generation of holographic entrepreneurs.
We are utilizing a very unique technology. Actually, it's a physical phenomena where ultrasound can be converted to sound. And we know how to take that sound and bring it to your ears, riding all those ultrasonic waves.
So I am Boaz from Noveto. I am the head of the algorithms, and here is where the magic happens. At Noveto, we are using nonlinear acoustic. Instead of transmitting the sound, we are using modulated sound in the air as ultrasound, and the air is demodulating the signal at our ears. No need for headphones or anything else.
Hello, my name is Noam Safrir. I joined Noveto 5 years ago, and I'm Noveto's software team leader. The software here has a lot of challenges. It's cross-platform. It should interface a lot of different modules such as 3D camera, mobile applications, device hardware.
Hi there, my name is Yaniv Seri and I'm the head of electronics here in Noveto. I'm here at Noveto for more than 5 years, and my team and I are responsible for developing the electronics that sits inside the SoundBeamer. One of the challenges that we are facing is how to handle efficiently hundreds of audio channels in a small form factor. To achieve that, we have designed our own custom ASIC, which is capable of driving tens of audio channels in a single chip. This allows us to increase the efficiency of the design while reducing the cost due to the simplified electronics inside the SoundBeamer.
As we met more people and presented the technology, we found out so many applications, so many use cases, that we really believe that in the future, everybody's going to use our technology. SoundBeamer is going to be everywhere, and once in a while you're going to hear about headphones or speakers.
At Noveto, we're transforming audio